Finally, the big boys at Apple have stepped in the AI game. This is 2024, guys, and we are already getting to see major updates. There is one thing about Apple that I want to mention over here. They only put their feet in technology when they think it is mature enough. Is this the dawn of a new era for artificial intelligence? Let's find out. Apple revealed a breakthrough multimodal AI system, and it is called Ferret. There is nothing special about this name like Elon Musk's Grok. It is just an abbreviation for fine-grained referring transformer. Now, what is the big fuss about this AI? Well, as the internet says, it surpasses the abilities of the well-known GPT-4. But we will discuss that in a moment. As we dive deeper into Ferret's complications, we discover that this system is mostly built for vision. It uses tools like Clip V-IIT I-14 to decode and interpret images. Apple's main purpose behind this model is to improve the functionalities of Siri and other AI-based features in the Apple ecosystem. We can only appreciate Ferret well by understanding how it actually works. The Ferret model, which originated from the creativity of Apple's researchers, is based on vision. The Ferret 7B's capabilities are showcased in systems like the Google 5.2 coding model and the MIXL 8X7B, which are built on Apple's MLX platform and utilize its unique tools. Clip V-IIT I-14 decodes content within the image and converts it into a format that can be easily handled during computational processing. Along with that, Ferret is capable of interpreting and processing the words presented to it. It combines linguistic and visual components quite effortlessly. I find that really remarkable. A distinguishing characteristic of Ferret is that it can pinpoint particular regions in the image. If you refer to a specific detail, such as a cat in the bottom left corner, Ferret uses marked coordinates to accurately locate and interpret that individual detail. The combination of these processes lead to many opportunities to flawlessly define and describe the highlighted parts of an image. Now let's get back to the comparison debate. Ferret proved its strength during strict benchmark tests that compared it with GPT-4, especially in vision capabilities. Ferret confirmed its strong performance based on including input types that are point, box, and freeform, as well as output grounding. Output grounding means that the model can understand relations between objects in an image and the real-world consequences it has. I find it quite interesting because the paper written on this didn't compare it with GPT-4. Instead, it first looked at GPT-4's ROI, or region of interest, versus Ferret for comparison. Classic Apple and the percentage game. During straightforward comparison to GPT-4 vision, there came a series of results. Choosing to compare it against the GPT-4 ROI highlights the difficulty of Ferret's tasks. Ferret had a question about what the object on the bike was for. At region 0, the Ferret model exceeded all expectations. It revealed that the object was a shock absorber on the bike, which helped disperse the shock impulse and convert some of the kinetic energy for the rider's comfort and stability on rough terrains. This unique ability to include linguistic and visual elements and its accuracy in image recognition makes it stand head and shoulders above the rest. Now, I am not going to say that this model is outright perfect. While models like GPT-4 still dominate in key language tasks, Apple's specialized approach gives it an edge in multimodal intelligence. GPT-4's persisting strengths lie in more general knowledge about concepts, objects, and reasoning, as well as superior conversational ability and linguistic mastery. Apple Ferret is all about computer vision, visual referring expressions, and the tight integration of natural language processing intended to optimize Apple devices. Unlike Cosmos 2 from Microsoft, Ferret differentiates itself by always delivering correct insights. I, on my own, tried to research Ferret's potential with ChatGPT because it is still the most widely used language model. I can say with confidence that Ferret is much better. ChatGPT was unable to give the right information about the function of the specified part of the bike. This is evidence that Ferret exceeds current models in terms of its ability to draw meaningful information from images. A comparative analysis between Ferret and GPT-4 led to some fascinating observations. In one case, GPT-4 vision failed to recognize specific objects within an image, something Ferret did remarkably well. One of the most important aspects of the comparison is grounding, which is an important feature in image analysis. Precision in locating small and specific regions in complex scenes is Ferret's prime, especially in situations that require detailed inspection. Though GPT-4 vision is knowledgeable and good at giving answers concerning large outlined regions, it performs poorly in small detailed parts. There is another interesting case related to traffic lights, linked with image recognition tasks. Ferret's reliability in detecting traffic lights in overcrowded scenes demonstrates its strength in situations where precise bounding boxes are essential. This highlights that Ferret is used in tasks requiring precise targets in small areas, thereby filling a significant gap gap in image analysis. Classic Apple approach. They want to begin with perfection while others struggle, and then start building on the basis. The importance of Ferret's features go beyond model comparison. New dimensions have been added to the discussion of the potential use of vision models in uncommon tasks like autonomous driving. Early explorations show the potential of using the GPT-4 vision to enable on-road driving. This implies a future in which vision models such as Ferret will be very important in tasks they weren't previously trained to perform. Now, let us discuss how this project originated. This project began as a small experiment by a handful of Apple engineers in 2022 and is currently only used internally for prototyping future features. Now, I am trying to address an important question. Why Ferret excels where GPT-4 falters? This is because Ferret focuses entirely on cross-modal comprehension without distractions from other tasks, allowing for extremely detailed and accurate multimodal understanding. It is specialized in fine-grained analysis of images, particularly in crowded and complex scenes, and purpose-built to locate and describe small, precise regions of images. What does this achievement mean for Apple, and in general the field of AI? The introduction of Ferret has major implications for the future of AI. It sets a new standard for detailed, real-world visual understanding in AI systems, representing a major milestone in developing advanced multimodal intelligence. The applications across industries are vast, potentially improving computer vision systems for autonomous vehicles and finding utility in detailed image annotation, VR or AR, visual chatbots, and more. This move also establishes Apple as an innovator in AI, intensifying competition with other tech giants like Google, Meta, and Microsoft. Exceeding the capabilities of the formidable GPT-4, Apple showcases a strong dedication to advanced AI research and development. This not only sets a higher standard for competitors, but also marks a substantial stride in the quest for artificial general intelligence. Apple is a company driven by long-term ambitions. The launch of the formidable Ferret model provides clues into Apple's emerging AI strategy. I mean, if you have been following AI news, you would know that rumors of Apple GPT suggested an internal GPT-style model to upgrade Siri, iOS typing suggestions, and other language features. But now, since Ferret is out, it hints at Apple's accelerated investment into transformer language models, showcasing its lead in multimodal AI capacities. As GPT-4 continues to improve through massive scale and data, Apple is likely to focus on areas like video, images, and cross-modal tasks. With heavy investment into both language and visual domains, exciting innovations are on the horizon. As we all know, many companies try to emulate Apple for various reasons, such as the widespread popularity of its products, their seamless integration into contemporary lifestyles, and the associated business advantages. A survey revealed that a substantial 76% of large US firms are incorporating more Apple devices into their operations, citing benefits like cost-effectiveness, enhanced security, employee preference, and improved productivity. Looking at these numbers, other companies also try to place their products like Apple, but they don't reap such benefits. But why? The answer is simple. Apple is always a first mover. They may not sound like one, but they are, especially the way they market things. So, there arises this question, that will Apple be able to match similar standards in AI? Will companies follow what Apple is doing in the AI domain as well? There are two angles to looking at this question. One angle says yes, because they have all the resources a company dreams of, and the other angle presents uncertainty. I mean, AI is a new game altogether, and being a seasoned campaigner in tech does not guarantee success. With that said, I'm going to end this video on a note that this unveiling not only highlights the company's technical expertise, but also underscores its dedication to crafting potent and user-friendly AI solutions. The emergence of this technology is poised to elevate capabilities all across the Apple ecosystem, which will in turn elevate the quality of user engagements. As Apple persists in its AI investments, we can anticipate a stream of innovative solutions that will profoundly shape our interactions with technology. Subscribe for more blues from the world of AI. You can find some on your screen right now. Click the links, and I will catch you there in a second.